In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date format in FreshBooks. If you've ever needed to adjust the way dates are displayed on your FreshBooks account, maybe for consistency with your business practices or simply for personal preference, you're in the right place. We'll go step by step, ensuring you understand each part of the process along the way. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to the FreshBooks website. You can do this simply by typing FreshBooks into your Google search bar and clicking on the link that says FreshBooks official site. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on Log In. Once you click on that, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Carefully type in your account email and password, then click Login to access your FreshBooks dashboard. It's important to make sure that your credentials are entered correctly to avoid any login issues. Now that you're on your dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll spot the Settings option. Click on this to proceed. Within the Settings page, you'll see several categories, but what we're interested in today is the Basic Information section. Clicking on Basic Information brings you to a page where you can manage key aspects of your account settings. Here comes the part you've been waiting for, changing the date format. Scroll down until you find the date format option. This is where you can select the format that best suits your needs. You'll typically have a few options, such as month, day, year, or day, month, year. Pick the one that's most convenient or familiar for you. After selecting your preferred date format, don't forget to finalize your changes. At the bottom of this page, you'll find a Save Changes button. Click this to ensure that your new date format is applied. It's crucial to remember this step because any changes not saved will revert to the default setting, and that's all it takes. You've successfully updated the date format on your FreshBooks account. By walking through these steps, you've personalized your FreshBooks experience to better reflect your preferences or business needs. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to explore the FreshBooks help resources or reach out to their support team. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tune in for more tips and tutorials in our upcoming videos.